Well, the quick tip for today is, even in daily use, I roll my clothes because it's easier to find in my backpack. Let me show you. Here it is. Instead of separating pants and shirts, what I do is a kit. So this here, it's my clothes. So I'm gonna put it after I take a shower. This one is to play tennis. The skirt and shirt, everything's here. And this one is to go to the sauna. Let me show you. What I do is roll everything inside, you know. And like this one, I like this one. This one's cool. That's the tennis. I roll it and put in my cap. So very easy. Easy to find, easy to look for, easy to, you just grab the whole thing and use it. Hope you like it. Thumbs up and subscribe.